This particular project you are seeing called Key, a lot of people have made is an insane gain just from the internal trading that was opened yesterday. Some people have 10x what they invested. I kid you not, and I'll also be sharing you proof of what people have made a lot of money. And I tell you, some people are still going to make way more money when on July 28th. Yes, everything I'll be sharing. If you're able to watch this particular video to the very end, I would be telling you everything you need to know, because there are a lot of updates now about this particular project that a lot of people are not actually, or some people are not actually talking because they don't know what is actually happening. And that is why, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video. And if you want to start mining this particular project, I tell you, you are not late, because I tell you that this particular project is what I call double stream of income. As we are mining a token called, also we are also mining BTC. If you're able to refer 3 people, yes, you'll be able to mine BTC. Look at the amount of BTC mine, but that is not where we are actually going to. Where we are going to is, which is the topic of today, is this internal transfer that is actually launched, because I have received countless number of information about people in my community and other communities saying they cannot sell. That is what this video is all about, and also about the DEX trading on banking swap that will be happening on 20. This is what I'll be sharing with you. So let me quickly tell you about the insane gain that some people has actually made, because some people have actually times X, 10x their trading just from what this particular trading option that was opened yesterday at 1 p.m. Nigeria time. Let me quickly show you something first. Yes, this is a particular screenshot I screenshot from the key English community. As you can see here, the first pre-sale that was done, I want to take you to something. Look at the price that people were able to buy key token then at a very cheap price, a pre-sale. So look at it, they say stage C wheel. They say issuing price. This was the issuing price now. This is it. This is the issuing price at 0.095 to around 0.15 cents. Yes, a lot of people were able to buy good amounts at this particular price. And let me shock you at what some people are actually selling currently before I take you to how you'll be able to buy and position yourself if you want to still sell. Let me quickly show you something again. See, at the price of that pre-sale, let me show you a particular account. Look, this particular account was able to buy 13,969 key. I tell you. Now, we'll go to a calculation aspect on how what some people are able to make for just investing just $10, or some people that invested just $1 to buy key token, what they'll be able to make. Now let me show you something again. Now you see, I kid you not, look at what some people's wallet are holding currently after they sold. Look, 22,600 and 226,072 USDT. This is a lot of money that some people account has actually made. Yes, from, let me show you. Look at some people here. See, this is the unit price they are selling their key at 1.57 USDT to just get one key, and they are selling. And look at it, the person say he has 150 key to sell. Let me quickly share you something again. Now, you know, I told you in yesterday video that I created, I told you, I say it's more or less like a P2P. Look at it here. Look, this is the floor price, is 0.3. So you can just come, anybody that want to sell that have their key here in this particular place. Let me quickly show you. If you bought, remember, it's not the particular key that we are mining, it's people that bought the pre-sale that are able to sell now, or people that just bought now. So if you have your key here, those are the people that are able to trade. Yeah, this is what they call internal trade. So this is more or less like a P2P. So everybody is giving their price, but this is just the floor price. Nobody can sell lower than this, but everybody can sell. If I want to sell my own beyond, I want to sell my own key at $1, I can put it at $1, and I put the quantity of key I want to sell, it will create another. Yes, that is how it works. Then if the person that want to buy key value that, okay, this key, what the price that the person says, you actually buy. Let me take you to the Telegram community where the amount of, and you should just look at the price that people are actually selling their key. Now, like what I rightly said the last time. Now look, This is another book now. Look, the person is selling his own at 0.63. Look at another person, 0.64. I'm still coming on. Now you'll be able to get it. Look at this person now. You say he has 150 for say. Look at that 0.6 at 800. The price differs. Currently now, I think they have taken it to 0.6. I've seen some people who is actually putting their own at $1. Look at this one now. It's 0.8 and it says it has 111. That is not a loan. If I continue to take you up and up and up, yes. Look, for example, now. This one now says he wants to sell his own key at $1 and he wants to sell 20. Now let's go back. Let's go back to the key. So for those who have key now, you come. The first thing you need to do is that your key will be your wallet. You set your price here. You cannot set it below 0.3 cents. Then you put the number of key you want to sell. You put it there. It's because I'm not having key. Then it will tell you to create. It will tell you to create another. You tap on it. The order will be created. Then you need somebody that wants to buy key for you to be able to sell. And that is why you can see that a lot of people are dropping it in this community group. This order, this is how it looks like. If you're able to have key, this is how yours too will look like. It will create something like this. It will create something like this. And if you want to buy, this is where you just have to come. You just have to join this community. If you go to your key mining app, you will see it how you could join their community. And I'll also be dropping my community WhatsApp link in the description of this particular group if you want to join, because that is where I share a lot of updates and some people that want to sell also. See, this is another. So if you come to this community and you see anybody maybe is buying at that floor, selling at that floor price of 0.3, you will actually have to copy this particular order. You have to copy their particular order. Then what you go now, you come to a particular place. This section is for those that are that want to create order, has key that want to. But if you want to buy, you now come to this exchange. You tap on this exchange. Then the order I just showed you, just a moment from now, you will now drop it here. After you drop it here, it will show you the number of key that you receive. Then it will tell you the amount of USDT. It will show you here. Then you must have USDT in your wallet here that you have deposited. If you haven't know how to deposit, you just look at my other video that I've created, I've shared it. Then what you now do, you now click on confirm purchase. The key system or the thing behind it are the one that are escrow. They will now give you the amount of key, give the one that are selling the amount of USDT that they need. But mind you that the amount of key you want to buy must match the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Now let's go to something first. Let me quickly show you the amount some people actually make. Maybe they bought at 0.09, tell you, multiply by, and they rate by 100. That means they spent $9. Now let's look at the amount they have actually make. Now let's go there. They are selling at the floor price now. The amount that is the current floor price 0.3 cent minus the amount they bought then 0.09. Look, that means per coin they're able to make 0.21 dollars. Now let's calculate for what they got for $9. Now they have 100 and now multiply by 0.3. Now see, is it not insane? For $9 they are now making $30. Now say minus $9, a pure profit of $21. Tell me this is not profitable. Just what they did within in less than a month, and compared to some people who bought, that was able to show who bought 13,000 of these. So if this video was really helpful, share, click on the bell notification so again if I upload any other video, and follow us on our WhatsApp community. Thank you and bye bye for now. God bless you.